My name is Bill, and I loved our neighbors today by being with this great, gracious group that was come here today and show the love of God in everything that we do.
My name is Jennifer. I loved my neighbor by harvesting vegetables and cooking a feast.
I'm Jillian, and I love my neighbor by harvesting and cooking the delicious food.
My name is Sandra Holzinger. I love my neighbor by helping from the ground up.
I'm Nathan, and I guess I love my neighbor by construction.
I'm Miss May, and I loved my neighbor today by helping to weed some flower gardens.
Tim, I painted fences in love of my neighbor.
Richard, I helped with many things today, and I suppose that counts as loving my neighbor.
Doing fences and then painting, getting our hands all dirty. Yeah.
Where exactly do you want this?
And I helped my neighbor by putting those blocks in and also painting and raking over by this field.
My name is Hudson, and I love my neighbor by putting the blocks in, painting, scraping mulch, and by getting dirty.
I know.
Yay! Hey?
Yo, I see a big difference.
And I love my neighbor by digging a hole. My name is Malin, and I love my neighbor by painting a fence. My name is Summer, and I help my neighbor by digging a hole. My name is Whitney, and I love my neighbor by picking vegetables.
Tired and exhausted.
So they're going to be wore out.
I'm in a
Got it, Richard.
What are you cooking?
okra.
What's on the okra?
Cornmeal, pepper, salt, and oil.
My name is Hannah, and I help pull out weeds and clean hay around the plants.
There, let me get the front.
My name is Mike, and we love our neighbors today, volunteering in the garden, setting some posts for shade canopy for the seedlings, and also for constructing garden beds around the baby trees.
My name's Sam, and I helped Mike here building some of the boxes and putting the posts in the ground, and we loved our neighbor that way.
My name's Samuel, and I really loved my neighbors by constructing, painting, helping move wood, by everything that we did here.
It's like fun.
It's very. Besides for what you get in your face.
You like?
Yeah. Good.
Winnie. I love this.
Okay.
Mike, and I love my neighbor by painting.
My name is Ella, and I love my neighbor by cooking and cleaning.
And what? It is. It's just when you fold it like that, it's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Great.
And my name is Nana, and I love my neighbor by doing whatever needed to be done, praise God.
And helping plan everything. Yes. Okay.